In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your videos using CapCut. Whether you're editing videos for TikTok, Instagram, or just for fun, CapCut offers intuitive tools to help you perfect your footage. Let's dive right into the editing process. First, you'll want to select the video you wish to edit. Open CapCut and import the video file from your device. Once imported, navigate to the timeline and click on your video clip to make sure it's selected. Ensuring your video is highlighted is important, as this is how CapCut knows which clip you want to adjust. Next, head over to the Adjustment tab, which you can find in the right panel. This section holds all the essential tools you'll need for fine-tuning your video's visual quality. You'll see a variety of options that might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each one. Once you're in the Adjustment tab, focus on the sliders for brightness, contrast, and saturation. These three settings are fundamental when it comes to video editing. Brightness adjusts the light levels in your clip, essential for creating the right mood. Increase it if your video is too dark, and decrease it if it's too bright. Contrast, on the other hand, determines the difference between the lightest and darkest parts of your video. Boosting contrast can add drama to an image, while lowering it makes the image softer. Saturation is about color intensity. More saturation makes colors pop, while less saturation can mute a scene for a more subdued look. After adjusting these sliders, it's crucial to preview your changes in real time. CapCut offers this feature, allowing you to see exactly how your adjustments affect the video. Take a moment to watch your clip with the changes applied. If something doesn't look right, go back and fine-tune those settings. Tweak them to your liking until you reach the perfect balance that brings your video to life while maintaining a natural look. By following these steps, you'll ensure your video looks polished and professional. Keep in mind that editing is as much about art as it is about technique, so feel free to experiment. Remember, practice is key. The more you work with these tools, the more intuitive they'll become. As you continue to explore CapCut, you'll find new tricks and features that enhance your editing skills. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to create amazing videos. As you grow more comfortable with these adjustments, you can explore additional CapCut features to take your content to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!